Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome back to the show. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research out there, okay? All right. Quick look at the market here. It is a shopping spree day today, guys. Kaspa down 4%. Testing old support. Link down 2.5%. H bar down 2.5%. XDC down 5.5%. Uh, duh, duh, duh. Where is XRP? It's pretty close to even on the day, down only 0.4%. Bitcoin is still holding above 29.3. Terra, fantastic DCA opportunity for Terra, under a cent, down 13.7%. If there was ever a DCA opportunity, it is right now. JASMY up 4%, back up above 204. Can we build it as support now? Guess we'll find out, right, guys? A lot of bullish news for JASMY lately. Got some today in this video, so we'll get into that. And yeah, let's get rolling here, guys. Let's get into it. All right. Sorry about that. So first off, we'll get into this. The breaking news. Uh, Banking regulators have issued a warning to banks that they should stop doing business with PayPal immediately. So basically, what's happening here is the banking regulators and the incumbents, they want to be the ones to control CBDCs and stablecoins and stuff like that. So any business at all that tries to make their own stablecoin or anything like that, they're going to try to squish them, squash them, put them out of business, right? It's just the way it goes. Why we tolerate this kind of stuff, I do not understand, but there it is for you. Okay, let's get into this thread here by it's about breaking SEC's huge decision on Bitcoin ETFs today could change everything for BTC. Here's what you need to know urgently. So some big financial companies like BlackRock applied to launch a Bitcoin ETF, basically a fund that tracks Bitcoin's price. They're waiting for the SEC to say yes or no. The SEC might announce their decision today on ARK Invests, and everyone in the crypto world was waiting to see what they will say. Notably, the SEC has a deadline for ARK Invest Bitcoin ETF decision on August 13th, which again is 2 days away. But since the 13th is this Sunday, the announcement might be today after the market closes. There are 3 possible answers from the SEC. Yes, it's approved. No, it's denied. Wait, we need more time. If it is yes, the price will go up because it's a big thumbs up for the authorities. If they say no, there might be a small drop because Bitcoin's price, but there's more applications waiting. So here's hope. If they ask for more time, it's like getting hit with the pause button. They want to think more about it. Not bad, not good. Wait and see. Conclusion: whatever the SEC decides is important. It's an important moment for Bitcoin. Every decision like this shapes the future in the big world of finance. So stay informed, stay calm, and remember the world of crypto is always full of surprises. So there you go. That's the 3 options that we had, and now let's segue over to the decision that we got. Just in, the SEC has decided to delay decision on the ARK Invest Spot Bitcoin ETF filing as expected. Tony Edwards from the Thinking Crypto channel says, I think scumbag regulator Gary Gensler will time the Bitcoin ETF approvals around the news of the loss of Grayscale to bury it. And of course, Gary will try to get BlackRock approved first. So the long and short of it is this, you guys. If this actually happens in a way that they go ahead and they delay applications that were in first, like ARK Invest, and they go ahead and they approve BlackRock's first, I think you're going to see lawsuits fly out the wazoo over this because I don't think Kathy Wood take that line down. I think that she would definitely come after the SEC legally for doing that, because whomever's BTC spot ETF gets approved first, that is where the lion's share of the money is going to go, right? Especially if they approve it and then they delay for a couple of months anyone else getting approved. That is very clear violation, in my opinion. That is serving the interests of one company over the rest, giving a monopoly. And I'm pretty sure that that's against the law, but I guess we'll see what happens, right? Because the SEC breaks the law all the time and nobody does anything about it. So either way, I guess we will see. But we've been predicting on this channel, though, that we won't see a Bitcoin ETF for at least probably 6 months, anyways, an approval. It'll be timed about 2 months before the halving. Then the halving will come up and things are going to get crazy. So that's what we're expecting on this channel anyway, at least 4 to 6 months before any kind of approval. They'll all be pushed back till that date. So yeah. And you also have to remember that next year is an election year as well, so they're going to want to be approving these as we're rolling into that, because they're going to want to use it, right, as positive material for the blue people. So there's that. So now we got some JASMY news, and we got some Kaspa news. So let's get into that real quick. Okay, so there is a popular chart analyst here that has been following the Kaspa chart alongside of the ADA and Ethereum fractals. So let's get into this here. So we have been following the ADA and ETH fractals for a month, and we have expected some sort of consolidation to occur near the previous all-time high for Kaspa. Now we continue to watch to see what happens next for Kaspa. If Kaspa continues to follow these fractals, we can expect higher prices in the not too distant future. Of course, none of this is a guarantee, but it is very interesting. Price action is simply depicted of human psychology personified by a chart. All that typical emotions of fear and greed, doom and euphoria can be understood as a price movement across the screen. And therefore, we can come to expect certain repetitive events, as humans tend to act according to their innate behavior. Technical analysis also follows certain intervals in and of itself, a bit of a language unto its own, and therefore often repeats and rhymes as those who widely accepted by, or those who are fluent in TA, will act accordingly to common conventions that are widely accepted by technical analysts, and therefore reinforce these conventions. This is all to say fractals are very interesting and worthy of some consideration. Kaspa seems to trade very cleanly, and it is likely due to their fair launch and transparent emissions, scheduled 70% of supply already in circulation, which is awesome. Not all coins tokens trades so cleanly, especially ones with backers, VCs that did ICOs, pre-mines, blah, blah, blah. So basically, guys, Kaspa has been following eerily similar to how Cardano ADA did in the last accumulation phase and bear market, right? Which tells me, and it's not too off either in terms of comparisons when it comes to the tokenomics. So what it all kind of tells me is that there's a very real possibility that Kaspa can mirror or imitate what Cardano did in the last bull run. It went from, I believe, 5 cents to about $3. So Kaspa, very, very, very possible it can do the same thing. So very bullish on that, in my opinion. We also have we have another one here. It says, whoever the new whale is, they're loading their bags up 106. Someone bought 164 million Kaspa. Could it be an exchange? For 164 million, I would say yes. In my opinion, it probably is an exchange. Probably have some listings coming, but we will see. We got now payments says ditch the old, embrace the new. More security, faster transactions, global reach, all with JASMY Payments. Now payments help you integrate with this game changer into your business, carving out a new revenue path, e-commerce, gaming, every sector winning with the JASMY MGT. So very bullish there with now payments. And we got more Kaspa. Another Kaspa wallet 2 days ago bought $7 million worth of Kaspa. Someone seems to be confident enough to be dropping millions of dollars into Kaspa at the retest of the all-time high. I don't blame them. That is a fantastic DCA opportunity, but to me, $7 million is not a DCA. It is an ape move. But yeah. And then finally, here's the bullish news, guys. Probably going to put this in the title. We have a new listing for JASMY. Hara says, thank you for our integration on BTC Turk. We will further expand JASMY's use cases. So BTC Turk says, JASMY Coin and OX Protocol, ZRX, are on Big Turk. Buy and sell JASMY Coin and OX Protocol. I'm not familiar with OX Protocol, but ticker's ZRX. And try with TRY and USDT pairings on BTC Turk. So I'm assuming that this is a Turkish exchange that JASMY just got listed on. So moving into other countries and stuff. Super bullish there. So yay, another listing for JASMY. And that is the news this morning, guys. I will be back this evening, as always, for another live stream. So stick around for that this evening. Make sure you guys are here. It's going to be good times. Usually we do it about 7 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock Central. So don't miss that. And yeah, so smash the subscribe button, you guys, so you can be here for the live streams. You don't want to miss those. They're a good time. We find a lot of gems. I gave you guys another gem actually last night. So yeah, smash the subscribe button, comment down below, and I will see you guys later tonight.